Good afternoon, everyone. Well, me and Miriam, we're just about to go and feed out silage. We're actually going to open up the first pit of silage over there. So I'm going to start feeding that because right at the moment, I'm trying to stretch the round out to, we're about 25 days at the moment. I want to get out to 30. And currently they're eating everything that's in front of them. So we're actually, I would say we're a little bit tight on grass, but this nice sunny weather is gonna help things, and it's quite windy, so it's drying out the ground at the moment quite well. So yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, last night I was watching the news, and further down country got hit pretty bad with the cyclone Gabriel, as well as up north. We got off pretty lightly here, really. We just got really wind, so lost a few trees falling over. Not a lot of flooding here, a bit of flooding in low-lying areas, but otherwise we're pretty lucky around this area. So yeah, feel pretty sorry for those ones down country. It's pretty major. So yeah, hope everyone's doing alright. Wrong tractor, Miriam. Wrong tractor. This one, over here. This one. So yeah, we've got to take the bale feeder forks off. Got the grapple on there, take that off and put the silage forks on, and we'll go and get loaded up, so we'll see what it looks like. Just get on with it. One of those things I forgot to do. I need to put a new floor on this, so I may even do it tomorrow, because it's not ideal. I don't want to carry on doing it like this, so yeah, I have to get some, probably just replace it with ply. That's all, be hard to get tongue and groove for it. Yeah, so I ended up bending this one here. I didn't realise that it tucked underneath the piece of flooring there and just bent it, so I've cut it out for the time being. It'll be alright. Be alright, just having one. See, this one here is slightly bent down in the middle, so see it's coming up like that. So I've just oiled up the chains on the front. They're a lot better now. So this sort of thing, if you can keep it in a shed, it lasts a lot longer. And it's one thing we don't have much space, is shed space. So I've given it a grease up, so we're ready to go and open up the stack now. You're probably going to struggle to hear me because of the wind, but it actually looks really good. So you can see there's not a lot of rot along the front, and same around the edge. You've got a little bit there, a little bit there. You can see it sort of goes up a little bit, but I think you'll find, yeah, it's a little bit soft there, but it doesn't come too far in. So yeah, I remember someone asking me, do I get much waste with not putting cover down the sides and just being, you know, covered on top? And no, I don't seem to get a lot of waste. See, on this other side there's hardly any waste. It looks pretty good right up to the edge. So yeah, it looks really good. It smells good too. Very good quality. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on. Girls, come on. So we just come down to where we've been planting the flaxes with the kids. We planted some with the family there, and we planted some with the kids up on the ridge there. There's the kids, Ezra, Sadie and Anders. And then we're just checking on these puri trees. I'm not sure if I explained the meaning of the puri trees, but my parents brought them for us because it's a symbol for the babies we lost. What do you call it when you lose a baby? Miscarriage. Miscarriage, that's right. So there's 8 in the family. There's one puri up there, another one there, one over there, and then there's 3 up there, and we've lost one. We lost one. We had again. 8 puri trees, and now we've got 7. So we think we lost one of ours over there. So maybe we get another puri tree. So we just come to make sure. Well, we call it releasing, but the grass, with all the rain, the grass is actually flattened down, and now the puris are sticking out. So they'll beat the grass next year. Eh?
Oh, they're easy. I've beaten them already.
Yeah. Come on, kiddos. So those flaxes are doing really well. What are you 3 up to?
We're jamming the music while annoying Anders.
Look at these flaxes, aren't they? Looking good.
No.